Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an alpha brush review. I purchased this just to test them out. So I got the brush cap, which was free at the time they were having a sale. I got the number 10 Kolinsky brush for $46 and it's buy one get one free. So I got the number 9, the size 9 for free. So that's what that is right there. So I just paid for one brush. So yeah, the cap, it makes no difference. I don't use it to be honest, and I purchased this on the 21st and I got it on April 2nd, so that's the shipping time frame. Okay, so these are the brushes. I have this sticker that I got from them. I just sticked it on my nail lamp. I used this brush over the course of a few days, just to test it in different ways and to see how I'd like it. And guys, I thought it was pinched, but it's not. Apparently it's round. So it's manufactured in Germany. The wood is nice. It feels so sturdy. It feels like good quality. So I definitely can't complain there. 100% good quality. The bristles are amazing. I haven't had any shedding. I only lost like one hair ever since I've been using it. It's really amazing. So I'm gonna break in the brush, which is just to break up the starch that keeps the bristles together for shipping purposes. So you just gently break it apart and then flick out any starch residue. And you can go in, I see people using warm water. I use warm water sometimes, but I just went straight in with the monomer. So this nail set, I'm using it pinched. I'm gonna show you what I mean. You're gonna see a clip. Okay, so I have them side by side. Both of these are me using the brush when the brush is pinched. Okay, so as I was saying, the brushes are pinched. I'll show you how I pinch them. So me pinching them is just trying to get the brush head, the bristles to be flatter. I can work with the brush like that. I can't work with the brush round, and I'll show you in a clip that's coming up. I probably should have put it first, but yeah. So this is how they operate. Okay, now the one on the right, that's when I did not pinch the brush, so the tip is round. The one on the left, I'll show you up close the difference. So you see how flat that is? Now take a look on the one on the right there. Do you see the point that it has? So, okay, you can perfectly see the point that the right side has and the point that the left side has. The left side, the head is flatter than the right side. And it picks up, when it's rounder, it picks up a smaller bead. And as you can see, when I'm pulling the bead down, it's like it's dragging the bead off of the nail. So I'm not getting a good coverage. So it's harder for me to control using, to control the beads using the round head. That's why I tried to pinch it. So let me show you how I did it. It's pretty simple. I just grabbed a pair of pliers, and right there, I just pinched, just squeezed the pliers around it to flatten it. So as you can see, it flattens it out a bit. and I kept doing it until I was happy. Well, I wasn't fully happy with the results, and there I'm showing you my new sets. This is how flat it is right now compared to what it was in the last few clips that I showed you before. When I'm finished using it, I use my finger and flat it out as best as I can so that it can dry in that shape. So I'm trying to train it and see if it can get flatter than what it is. In the last 3 clips that I showed you, those were the only times I've used it. I eventually switched over to using my normal brush when I did those sets that I showed you, because I just couldn't, it was just bothering me. But I decided to do a full dedicated set with the brush and see how I handled it. So overall, I would say the brush is an excellent brush. If you're a person that you like your round brush, I would 100% recommend it. But for persons that likes a bit more of a pinched brush, I wouldn't really recommend it unless you really know how to pinch it, because I don't think I've pinched it enough to my desired width or whatever. I would have to check again to see if they actually sell pinched brushes, but yeah. When it's like this, I pick up bigger beads than I did before when it was round. I like working with it, especially for smaller nail beds. This would be perfect. But yeah, just because the fact that it's round, that's just what's throwing me off. But the quality is excellent, guys, excellent. I know that I'll have this brush for a really long time, and I'm not going to use the size 9. The size 10 is small enough already, so I might use that in a giveaway in the future, so stay tuned for that and follow me on my Instagram. It's Thenailcourt. So yeah, I'm just doing a marble here. I'm gonna do an ombre, and then I'm gonna do a full black on the other nail. So enjoy this process, and I'll be right back.
And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Okay, so when you're gonna add your flowers, especially when you're adding a lot of flowers like I am, or they're close together, I would recommend top coating the nail first in matte or gloss, whichever you'd use, and then add your flowers, because when you go around it with the top coat after, it's kind of hard to get that flawless coverage, and it's kind of annoying, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just doing some clear flowers. It's crazy, right? But I think it turned out really pretty. I'll try to do some more on some different colored nails. But this pretty much wraps up the end of the video. Overall, if you again are a round brush person, I'd recommend this. 10 out of 10. Quality is there. It doesn't feel like it will break on you at all, so it's a good brush. But if you're a pinched person, if you're a pinched brush person, then yeah, I don't know what to tell you. If you have a good pinching tool to pinch your brushes, then go for it. If not, maybe leave it out and see if they have any crimped or pinched brushes on their website. If they do, 100% go for it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Somehow wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say, listen to me as I